Welcome back, guys, to the Most Honest Review 100. And today we'll be doing this screen repair tape, instant fix to your screens. It had great reviews online, but what we'll be doing is a video on the actual process of fixing this. So there are a couple of holes in my screens. As you can see, there's one right here. There's one right here. One right there, and then there is one on the other side. Alright, so let's start with this one. We'll do it. So it comes like this. You open it. I'm pretty much, I will eyeball it to how I want it, right here. And what I want to do is give it a little bit of a slack on each side, so I have so I'll have some room to work with. So let's say this one is this much, so I'll bring it right here. I'll cut it a little bit more. I'll open it. On the website it says it's fairly easy to install. Get this, and it has very thick glue, as you can see on it, so I'm pretty impressed so far. Let's put it like this. I guess cover it. Make sure that this is well glued on. That's not bad. I really like the glue on this. You did a good job. The glue. There's a little bit of left, so I might go over like this way. Cut a little bit more. Because let's see if it peels off fairly easily. And it does. There you go. Take it and line it up. A little bit of overlap is not a big deal. And there you go. So it's a pretty big hole that I just fixed in, what, a couple of minutes? A minute and a half or so? That's not bad. Let's do another one. Let's do that one. So that one is a pretty straightforward one. Let's see if we can finish that up. And let's see. As you can see, the hole is a little wider. Just not bad. We might need a little bit of extra one. So what I'll do is I'll put it a little bit more on the side to make sure it's completely closed. So I guess for the price that you're paying, I think screen repair, for a temporary screen repair, this is not a bad item so far. Easy to apply, easy to handle. And there you have it. And the good thing about this one is, it's not a tape, it's an actual mesh. couple of times, and there you have it, folks. Not bad. Right, moving on to this one. This one is a little tricky. It's this way, so I'll go ahead and put that in. But as you can see, that one looks really good, right? So not a bad product. I would definitely get it. Alright, so let's see. This one is pretty good from far away, and the good thing is that it's pretty breathable right here. Then let's look at this one. This one looks pretty good. That one was one of the best ones up there. You can barely see it. And let's see this one. And there you have it, folks. Not bad. So this is the product we are using, and it took me literally a couple of minutes. And extra long screen repair tape. Don't forget to hit a subscribe button. Most Honest Reviews 100, and keep watching the other videos that I make. And if you have any comments, don't forget to write in the comment box. Thanks for watching, guys. Alright, bye bye.